All right, let's now look at play one for 5 out offense. So when we're playing 5 out, so everyone's spaced out well. So player one is bringing the ball to the front of the key, and so in terms of what's going to happen, let's look at what the actions look like here. So player two is going to set a screen on the defender for player three, and at the same time, player four sets a screen for player five. Now both player two and four are going to cut towards the basket. So right after setting the screen. Um, okay, yeah. So the animation is pretty fast. But ultimately, what happens if that is that player one is going to end up passing to. So let's back this up a little bit. Okay, so after the cuts, right, by player two and player four towards the basket, player one is going to pass either to player four or player two, depending on who's open. Now, and then hopefully, yeah, player four scores. What could happen instead if player one is not able to pass to player four or player two, then the next thing that's going to happen is that player one. Yeah, let's just restart this. Yeah, so okay, so screen and then another screen on both sides. Player two and four cut. Player one passes in. So that's one thing that could happen. Or instead, player one could pass to player three, sorry, and player three can shoot and make the three. Um, okay, so one more time. So player two sets a screen. Player three uses that screen. At the same time, player four sets a screen. Player two and four cut towards the basket. Player one passes in, and hopefully there's a layup made. Or instead, player one just passes to player three. That's open for the shot. Okay, so try to learn this motion. We will practice it during our practices, but that is play number one for when we're playing 5 out.